welcome to the Batch Lady, where today I'm going to show you an easy cheats Christmas stuffing. So if this is your first time cooking Christmas dinner, or you're not a massive stuffing fan, you just want to get one done and in the freezer ready for Christmas Day, this is the easiest recipe for you. Okay, we're going to use some orange juice, we're going to use some chestnuts, I've got some cranberries as well, okay, and I've got some wild sage and onion stuffing. This one comes from Tesco and it's in the fresh aisle, but there you can get like a Paxil same sort of one. And I'm going to use some pork sausage meat, okay? I'll put it up on the screen, all the exact quantities, but you can also print off the recipe from my website. Just go onto my website, go to the category that says Christmas, and this will be on it, okay? So I am doubling my recipe because my family loves stuffing, so it's a really simple one to double. So I'm going to be doubling it, but you can just follow your recipe as well. Okay, so really easy. You want to take your sausage meat, add it to a bowl. You want to add in your chopped chestnuts, okay? You want half a cup of, or is it a quarter of a cup? I think it's a quarter of a cup of chopped cranberries. I'm adding in slightly more because remember I'm doubling my recipe. And then I want to add in my orange juice. Okay, so I'm doing half a cup. You would do a quarter of a cup if you're keeping the recipe the same. Now, you want to get your sleeves up for this one. You want to add in your stuffing. I'm just going to add in one just now. And you want to get in there and start mixing it all around. You want the sausage meat to combine, and combining it with that lovely strong sage and onion means that you really don't have to do a lot of your own seasoning. This is why I call it a cheats one. You don't need to worry about what you've got in, you know, do you have sage in? Do you have, you know, a little hint of garlic in, or whatever it is you want to put in your stuffing. Instead, it's really quite simple. Okay, once you've got it nearly all combined together, get it out. Obviously this is double, you wouldn't have quite this amount. Put it on your counter, make sure it's completely mixed in. The red cranberries make it lovely, the nuts give it a good consistency. Now you can either take half of it and use half that's going in your turkey so you can stuff it, and you could also, if you want, say if I just half it, I've got half here that I can just mould, and that can go and get baked in the oven on Christmas Day, so, and actually sat on the table just like that, and it's stuffing that you can cut if you want. Okay, so I'm going to use half for stuffing in my turkey, and the other half is just going on the Christmas table like that. Okay, so once you've got your stuffing done, you just want to label your bag. I'm using one of these reusable ones, and I'm just going to call it Cranberry Easy Stuffing. You can call it whatever you want. Once your bag is labelled, just wait on your chalk pen drying to make sure, because sometimes these stay quite wet for a bit. And then I'm actually just going to put the 2 lots of stuffing. You'll only have 1 lot if you've only done the recipe for 1 in the bag, okay? This is going in the freezer like this. I'm going to freeze it flat and squash it out a bit so that it'll defrost easily, and then when I come to Christmas Eve I can just take it out, let it defrost, mould it into the shape that I want, save some for the turkey if I want. It's going in the oven if you are cooking it on a tray at about 35 to 40 minutes at 180 degrees. You'll be able to slice it, put it on your table, look absolutely delicious. I hope you've enjoyed this really easy stuffing video. Thanks for watching The Batch Lady. Remember and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and on my website. Thanks, bye!